Dear students, welcome to our English class. Today I shall conduct the revision of the chapter Matilda Can Do Magic. I've already explained this particular chapter in our earlier sessions. You can see the videos divided into part A, B and C. Please go through the videos so as to understand the full detailed explanation of this chapter. There is also a video on notes for this particular chapter. I hope you have gone through that video. Please learn the meanings and the question answers. Now, I shall conduct the revision of this particular chapter, Matilda Can Do Magic. There are two passages which have been given. Passage comprehension, based on which questions have been asked. So you may write down the answers to those questions in your notebook. This is for your practice. Once you have written, you may cross-check with the answers that has been given at the end of the video. So let's get started. Passage comprehension 1. It is on page 69, paragraph number 40 of your textbook. So please open textbook, page 69 and check paragraph number 40. It begins as Matilda sitting in the second row about 10 feet away from Miss Honey. And this particular passage ends as Miss Honey's folded arms. So it is from Matilda sitting in the second row right up to Miss Honey's folded arms. So this is a passage for the comprehension. Based on this passage, the following questions have been asked. Question 1. Who said tip glass tip? Second question. She simply shouted the dash 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 till head. You have to complete the sentence from the passage. Okay, the sentence is incomplete, so the blank you have to fill by referring to the passage. Third question, give one word for the phrase move forward powerfully. So that word should be from the passage. Move forward powerfully. Fourth question, wobble means, write down the meaning of this word, wobble. And last question 5, what fell with a tinkle on the tabletop? So please do read the passage, you'll get the answer. So write down the answers for these 5 questions in your notebook. Once you have done that, you may check the answer that is given here. Answers. Answer 1, Matilda said tip glass tip. The answer 2 is, she simply shouted the words inside her head. This question was complete the sentence. The third question was, give one word for move forward powerfully. And the answer is surge. To move forward powerfully, one word for that is surge. The fourth question was, wobble means to move unsteadily. Wobble means to move unsteadily. Question 5 was, what fell with a tinkle on the tabletop? Answer, the glass fell with a tinkle on the tabletop. Now let's move on to another passage comprehension. This is all for your practice. The passage here is on page 70, paragraph 42 to 50. It begins with, you seemed so far away, Miss Honey whispered, till I wouldn't dream of it, Miss Honey said. Please open your textbooks to page 70, paragraph 40 to 50. And it begins as, you seemed so far away, Miss Honey whispered. And it ends with, I wouldn't dream of it, Miss Honey said. Questions based on this passage. Question 1. Who said this? You seemed far away. Question 2. Miss Honey was still gazing ... wonderment. You have to fill this blank and complete the sentence from the passage. Miss Honey was still gazing ... till wonderment. Question 3. Give one word for filled with admiration. That word should be from the passage. One word which means filled with admiration. Question 4. Whispered. It means, the word whispered is there in the passage. You have to give the meaning of that word whispered. Question 5. What kind of invitation did Miss Honey give Matilda? So you have to write the answer from the passage. What kind of invitation did Miss Honey give Matilda? Please write on the answers for these 5 questions in your notebook, and you may check with this. Cross check your answers with this. The answers given here. First answer. Who said this? You seemed far away. Answer is Miss Honey said this. You seemed far away. Second question. Complete the following sentence. Miss Honey was still ... The answer is Miss Honey was still gazing at the child in absolute wonderment. Third one. Give one word for filled with admiration. And the answer is awestruck. It is there in the passage. One word for filled with admiration. Answer is awestruck. Question 4. Whispered means spoken low volume. Whispered means spoken low volume. Question 5. Miss Honey invited Matilda to a cottage to have tea. What invitation did Miss Honey give Matilda? Answer. Miss Honey invited Matilda to her cottage to have tea. So these 2 passage comprehensions are for your practice. Once again, children, please go through the videos, part A, B and C of this particular chapter, and also go through the notes, the video containing the notes for this chapter. And for your practice, you may work out these 2 passage comprehensions. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. All the best for your exam, for your unit test too. Thank you and God bless you all.